Yeah, it's time for trending topics, but I'm really enjoying the music. All right, first up, the chairman of the RJR Communications Group, J.A. Lester Spalding, has passed away. Mr. Spalding died at the Andrews Memorial Hospital yesterday morning after ailing for some time. Mr. Spalding was due to retire as group chairman at the end of the year. CEO of the RJR Group Company, Gary Allen, said that in a meeting with Spalding a week ago, the chairman was concerned that he wasn't responding as expected to his treatment, and so he was taken to the hospital on Monday, where he was admitted. He described Spalding as a fierce competitor in media, but one who was loved by his competitors. He was 76 years old.
Yeah, he
We
started
mourn
here
as
in
a
96.
family, but when you're 76 years old, we celebrate
Indeed.
life. Yeah.
And he started in 1965. And, you know, his fierce nature came from, I'd attribute it to being from Kingston College.
No.
Yeah, former KC Old Boy.
Yes, 40s.
You know, so condolences to the family, the immediate family, and the RJR Group family.
Definitely.
As you said, 76 years old. Let us celebrate.
Yeah.
the
Let's
legacy
make
there.
this show a celebration of his life.
Indeed. Okay, so
Happier news.
happier news indeed. Serena Williams and her fiance, Alexis
Ohanian.
Ohanian.
Yeah, he's the founder of Reddit.
Oh, Alexis Ohanian tied the knots in a gorgeous New Orleans ceremony. Serena Williams got married on Thursday in a star-studded New Orleans ceremony, making it official with her new husband.
Alexis Ohana.
Listen, I can't pronounce the last
We
part.
say it for you, Ohanian.
According to the media reports, the lavish affair was Beauty and the Beast themed. And the happy crowd was peppered with some of the world's most famous faces.
Yeah, my cousin was there.
Were you there?
No, but my
Okay.
cousin was
All
there
guests
representing for the family.
were
Bae was there.
reportedly expected to dress to the theme. Among those guests, Kim
My cousin,
Kardashian,
they.
Kim Kardashian, Eva Longoria, Beyonce, Ciara, Kelly Rowland, Lala, and of course Serena's sister, Venus.
Yeah, and she made this big deal with, I think it's Vogue magazine. So all of the guests were asked to leave their cell phones at home. Like you couldn't even bring your cell phone on the premises at all because you weren't allowed to take pictures.
It's not a matter even taking pictures. It's just like people go out with them phone.
Yeah,
It's
and this
always
is
like
it now.
this.
And then you do this, and you do this. And before you can get a chance to enjoy your own wedding, it's all over social media. So big ups to you for banning the phones, girl. And big ups to you for making a look of money for making Vogue take the pictures, too.
Ban all phone.
Yeah,
Ban my
man. So
wedding,
congratulations,
ban all
Serena.
phones, too.
Thanks for representing Cousin Bae.
Ban all phone. Sure. Why you read that one here?
All
You wanna talk
right,
about
this one, when I heard it, I was just like, I can't, really? Police believe Venezuela's zoo animals are being stolen for food amid a crisis in Venezuela. Yeah, they're having a food crisis. Venezuela authorities are investigating the theft of animals from a zoo in western state Zulia that were likely snatched to be eaten. Yeah, you heard me. A further sign of hunger in a country struggling with a chronic food shortage. A police official said 2 collared peccaries, which are similar in appearance to boars, yeah, like pigs, big pigs, were stolen over the weekend from Zulia Metropolitan Zoological Park near the Colombian border. The chaotic collapse of the country's socialist economic model has created chronic food shortages that have fueled malnutrition and left millions seeking food anywhere they can find it, as you can see, the zoo, including trash cans, dumpsters. Oh gosh, zoo head Leonardo Nunes said a wave of thefts in recent weeks have attracted 10 species, affected 10 species, including a buffalo, which he said was, oh my gosh, was cut into pieces.
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh, and that was orchestrated by drug dealers seeking to sell the animals. So no, it's to the point where people are so hungry
It's survival.
that, you know what,
survival.
Tammy said, in the makeup room, she said, if them resort into this soon, and the animals
That's
them
one
run
step
out,
left.
there's only one place left to go after that, and them two start each other.
But you see, that's my issue, you know. That's my issue. There are other people, other organizations around the world selling paintings for $450 million. People in Venezuela are suffering.
Yeah,
You know?
I was watching something on BBC the other morning, and they were talking about a specific country, not Venezuela, but they were talking about the crisis that was happening there. And UNICEF was ready to send food supplies. They had warehouses full of food. But what was happening was the people who were responsible for the uprise were blocking the receipt of the food into the countries by closing the harbors, by blocking off all entrances so that the food couldn't get there, because it's a war tactic.
Yeah.
I know now that this place is not at war. So what exactly is the reasoning why we don't have UNICEF sending food there?
It's a coup. Trying to take over the country. Like, you can't love people. That's not
food.
human.
Food has to be sent somewhere. I don't know how we can help. That's something that we have to think about, and then in the same breath we have to think about helping those that we have here in Jamaica who aren't eating, because it's our country too. But let's stand in solidarity. I guess that's the only way we can do something right now, right?
Yeah.
And stop eating after. We can't even tell them don't eat animals because they're hungry. What you need to do? That's it for the trending topics. I told you I would be keeping things real around here today. So here's our first video pick, one of the hottest songs in Nigeria right now.